Oh, well, good morning, Internet. We're out here riding our super single track. And then that was super secret single track. And then heading up into Big Bear, having some lunch. And figuring out what we're going to do from there. It's just me and Dan out here today. Everyone else is allergic to their dirt bikes. So, hope you enjoy. Remember to subscribe, comment, share, all that fun jazz. And yeah, let's get after it. I've not been out here on this for a very long time. It is way overgrown. And the ruts are still like winter time because apparently a lot of people have not been out here in a very long time. Trying to get a feel for the bike again. I did a rear sprocket, counter sprocket, new chain. I went down one tooth in the front from stock. I think stock was a 14. I'm a 13 now. Kept the rear stock. For some reason in Chaparral's book it shows my stock rear is a 48, but I had a 52, so I kept the 52. So I don't know exactly what happened there, but the other big change is that I normally run the golden tire front, the one that everybody runs. They either run the golden tire or the Shinko fat tire. So I switched out my front, gonna try this for the first time. It is the new Moto's Tractionator IT, same as I have in the rear, but they finally made a front, so we'll see. So far it feels pretty good, but I'm not worried about this stuff. There he is, right there. Hi, Dan. There's John's spot right there.
How you liking the tire?
So far, so good. I'm not worried about this kind of stuff, though, really. It's the faster, hard pack, loose stuff that I really struggle with. But so far, feels good. Alright, let's see if there's a freaking road. Oh, man. The jungle. Yeah, this section right here is the whole reason why I will absolutely never do this trail by myself. Oh man, right there at the end, be really careful.
Talking about over there?
Yeah.
Right here.
No, up here further. Yeah, right here. Just don't look at it, just go fast. Look straight and go. It's gone right there, dude. Yeah, and if you come off, dude, you hit that wall and then freaking go off even more. Oh shit. You'll see. Just slow down. Right here. Right here, slow down. Yeah. And Big Dan's like a cream puff through a keyhole through there. I just stand up and roll through it practically. Did it get you? Did you fall over? Under that.
I'm good. I just gotta get up.
Okay. Was it under that rock pile?
Yeah, one of the branches got me up high and then
You're supposed to do that stuff in front of the camera. You passed me on the right here. Rock looks like a foot peg grabber. Oh. Roost in the corners. My peg and boot scraped in that. Come on, Dan, stand up. Oh, I wish that my mic picked up that scream. So left of that tree in front of you, over that little hill, and then off to the right. Those idiots have freaking a bullseye spray painted on that rock. Yeah. Well, how'd Jimmy die? No, he's out shooting by himself and painted a bullseye on a rock.